Hi all, Rene here. I am here to put together the Jingle Joy card making workshop. This one is really cute. It comes with a lot of fun stuff. It comes with the stickles that you need, and I'll show you where I use those once I put the cards together. It also comes with an exclusive stamp set and dies. I love the stamp set and dies. I can see this working for birthdays, other types of cards other than Christmas. I've used my stamp set very well, so I'll just show you here. That's a really good representation, and all the ones that are blue have a die that goes with them. So another thing that I used in this is our Distress Oxide inks. Now unfortunately it calls for Band and Coral, which no one can find. I think I found one on Amazon and it was way overpriced. So I'm just waiting until it gets back in stock. But in the meantime, I used worn lipstick, which is what I had in my stash that worked perfectly with these colors. So if you don't have a certain color of ink, just see what you do have and see what'll work. There's no problem with changing out colors, doing your own thing, making it your own. I also used Intense Black ink, which is a solvent-based ink because I am going to do some watercoloring. And then I also used Clover, which is our dye ink. Now that is not water fast, so if you use that for anything that you've stamped, you need to be careful if you're going to be watercoloring on top of it. The other thing I used is our palette knives. I use those to spread the stickles, and you'll see there's a couple places where there's some stickles spread onto some of the pieces to give it a sparkly, and it turned out really nice. So you don't have to have these. You can just use a popsicle stick or even just a kitchen knife. It'll work, and just wash it off. So I will go ahead and get started. I've already cut out all my pages. I've done a lot of my stamping already. I've done my stickles because that does have to dry. It dries fast, but it still has to dry. So I already did everything that requires stickles pretty much. I have a few little things that I'm going to be using it on. And I'll go ahead and start putting this together. I'll put some Christmas music on for you, and I hope you enjoy. I'll be back at the end to show you everything put together.
All is cold. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy new year.
I just love the way these turned out. These ones have to sit for a little bit because they're still wet. They don't take a horrible amount of time to dry, that stickles. But this is, I love, you can see all the sparkle on this zip strip. and the little bit of sparkle that's on the top of each of these. Now, something I didn't show you is this is Distress Oxide, and the way that you get these little modeled is I use this sprayer. It's a Distress sprayer by Ranger, and I just got mine at Hobby Lobby. I used my 40% off coupon. If you don't have something like that available, you can find it online. They have it on Amazon. But if you give it a quick pull on this sprayer, it gives you a fine mist. If you pull it slower, it gives you droplets, and that's how I got that look right there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. That's how I got that look right there, is with the fine droplet, with the big, pulling it just a little bit to get the bigger droplets, and then just used a paper towel to dab off some of the water. So I think those turned out good. Those really turned out cute. The kit made 4 of those. Then the next one was this one, which also turned out really cute. Again, when I used the Distress Oxide here to make it an ombre look, is I used a sponge and I just kind of pulled down to create that ombre look so that I had more ink at the top and less at the bottom. And then this was done with the Distress Oxide as well. And you can get a brighter black if you do your ink first and then wait till it dries and then stamp on top. I wanted more of a muted look, so I went ahead and stamped first and then put the ink over the top to give it that muted look. Either way works great. Then this one. Again, this is one that I used the sprayer on to create those water droplets. Turned out really cute that way. And the other thing that I did is I used the water brush with just the regular ink, just the regular old ink, and it works great with that. You just squish the lid, get some ink on the lid, and then just use your water. You don't even need to use hardly any water at all. So that was that. And then let me show you one of these. It's still a little bit wet, so I'll be careful not to touch any of the stickles. This one turned out really cute as well. I think what I would do if I was doing it again is this green part right here, and actually the green part was supposed to go underneath or on top of the black part, but I did it wrong. But you know what? It doesn't make a difference. Now, what I think I would do, let's see. No, you can't. I was gonna say cut these pieces just a little tiny bit longer so you can just trim them off, but you're using the whole strip because they're 4 inches wide, 4 inches long, and the piece is 12 inches, so you're cutting 3 out of 1. So that wouldn't work. But what I did do is put that on first before I put this on the card. That way, if it didn't quite fit, I could trim it. And you saw that I trimmed that a little bit. So that is the Jingle Joy card making kit. So I'll go ahead and pull these back in so you can see them. If you have any questions about this kit, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that red subscribe button down below. And I would love to have you as a subscriber. That would be wonderful. And I hope you're having a great day. Leave me a comment. Let me know which of the cards was your favorite. I'm kind of torn between this one and this one. Possibly this one. I just like all the stuff that's going on. It's just really pretty. Oh, and the other thing I forgot to tell you, I changed my sentiment on this card right here. It was supposed to say wrapped with love, but I just felt like it wasn't quite right for a Christmas card. I think it would be great if you were doing a gift tag. It would be perfect for a gift tag. And with the wrapped with, it's all on one line, but you could easily cut that if you want to do wrapped with, and then you have love here. You could do it as the tag. There's so many ways you can do this to create gift tags. So I hope you give this kit a try. It is available through the end of December while supplies last. You might want to pick it up and then work on your cards throughout the year so that when Christmas comes, you're not like me going crazy trying to get all your Christmas cards done. So maybe next year I will plan ahead and I will do things ahead of time. So I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.